Okay.
Dead chicken, not joking.
They're chicken? No, they're not dead.
But how do I let them go?
Just leave them there and then we'll run around.
Do I just chuck
Near
them?
the water. Don't throw them into the water. Just near the water, fine. One by one. One by one. Okay, leave it there. There you go. Okay, there you have a lot of water.
And a friend, duck friend.
A duck friend, yeah, they have duck friends. There, look. Ooh, they're happy. Wow, they drink water. Scary. They love the water, hey.
Yeah.
They have duck friends. They're duck coming. Oh, come on. It's good. Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye, chickens. Stay here and be happy forever. Nobody will eat you. Oh, they're happy.
Is this water deep?
Yeah, I think. Okay. Bye-bye.